Ayan, bilis. Alright.
Okay, congrats.
Magic Club goes to Edgar Agravia.
Ayan, paki-cross niyo po yun.
Cross out Edgar Agravia and Edgar will receive a Magic Club
Ma'am Lou.
on the spot.
Okay, namumuro na.
Edgar, come over.
Namumuro na.
Ay, ko ito. Sagit. Ito.
Second Magic Club
Sabi ko,
goes
wala pang git. Wala pang git.
The next winning company.
Wow, ang galing.
It's a beautiful Magic Club. Okay, the second Magic Club goes to
Thank you. Congratulations, Mr. Egay.
Owi Gaston.
Owi!
Palakpakan
Owi
naman natin.
Gaston. Magic Club.
Magic Club.
This one.
Sino isa?
Magic Club.
Owi. This Owi. Ayan, isa pa. Owi. Owi.
Okay, and the
Owi kayo. Ayan, lang. Owi. Owi.
And the third goes to
Premium.
Sally Dimaranan.
Ayan. Congratulations.
Sally.
Sally Dimaranan.
Namumuro na ba? O kompleto na? Puna.
Lima eh. Lima raw.
Dalawa pa.
Dalawa pa. Wow.
Okay, the
Sally,
third Magic
congratulations.
Club goes to
Yung ating TikTok to, di ba?
Oo. Huwag tignan mo na.
cross out. Cross out.
Meron na. Meron ng TikTok to.
Paki-cross
May
out.
TikTok ko na.
Okay,
Ano
come
yan?
on.
Anyway, pero limang pala yun. Limang pala. Stop lang. Stop.
Ano?
What's the price?
We got a winner.
Television?
Liberty Gala. For
Madali, malaki.
price.
Okay. Sandali lang. May premyo ka.
Wow.
Liberty
You have to
malaki.
claim your prize.
Wow, ang galing naman nun. Sino ba yun?
You have to claim your
Kayo,
prize.
Wow, 1 year supply. Wow.
You have
Ang
to
malaki.
claim your prize.
Wow, ang galing naman nun. Sino ba yun?
You have to claim your
Kayo,
prize.
Wow, 1 year supply. Anti-SARS. 1 year. Big bust. Mukha tatakpan. Ayan, congratulations.
Courtesy of Eugene.
Ayan.
Courtesy of Eugene.
First
Okay.
aid, first aid.
Next.
What's
Next.
next?
Ito pa.
TikTok ko ulit. Go.
Puno, ito, bibigay pa rin eh.
What's the next price?
Ibigay pa rin.
Sabi ni.
Ibigay pa rin.
Ako na.
Winner.
Pakita nga, pakita.
Alright. Ellen, Tess, and Owi. Tic-tac to. Owi, Ellen, Tess. Dalawa kayo? Dalawa sila. Tatlo pa.
Ay, wala kayong TikTok ko. Mami.
Wala.
Ang diretso.
Naiwalay eh.
Diretso.
Kailangan diretso. Asa na? Rowena, Ellen, and Owi. Yan. Tic-tac-tac. Yan. Tic-tac-tac lang. ho.
TikTok ka lang.
Takin nyo na lang.
to.
Walang to. Tic-tac.
Ito.
Tic-tac.
Ito tama to. Owi, Ellen, and Beth.
Ito rin.
Dalawang winners pa ng TikTok ko.
Mali.
Sino yan?
Next, we have Reynaldo Arsiaga.
Reynaldo.
Ray.
Yes. Palakpan natin si Reynaldo.
Baka ako namumuro na.
Okay, second. Second.
Aba, nanalo ka rin ha? Kanina hindi.
Ronaldo Reyes.
Galing.
Ronaldo Reyes. Ronaldo Reyes.
Ang bait ni Lord. Kanina hindi na siya mag-describe eh. Sa
Who's
nanalo.
Ronaldo Reyes? Yung Ronaldo Reyes.
Ronaldo Reyes?
Ronaldo Reyes? Ano ba siya?
Wala
Naku
dito,
ha?
wala dito.
Wala yan.
Wala.
Walang ka ba?
Okay, second. Norma. Ano ba?
Norma!
Oy!
Come on down.
Nananalo yung yung team A kanina. Ang bait ni Lord ha?
Namumuro ulit.
Congratulations naman.
Next, we have
Sino
Second pass.
TikTok to? Pakita niyo ulit. TikTok to. Okay? Tatlong pangalan.
Miss Alvarez.
Alvarez!
Alvarez. Come on down. Claim your prize.
Nanalo ka rin, ma'am. Kanina nyo pa gusto manalo, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ito.
claim your prize.
Iyong-iyo.
Next, we have
Ayan. Congrats, ma'am.
Sino sunod?
Rufo Carino.
Rufo! Come on down. Namumuro na.
Group. Aba, nanalo rin. Dino po. Congratulations, Brad.
Next, we have
Sino sunod?
Isa pa. Dalawa.
Jovi Canael.
Joey.
Joey.
Hoy. Ang galing. Tic-tac to.
Tatlo. Isa.
Sandali. Dito. Laki.
Sally, Rufo, and Jovi. TikTok to again.
And
Next, we have
alright. Here's your prize. Congratulations.
Gilbert Colema. Gilbert.
We got 3 winners.
Another one.
Gilbert Colema.
Tic-tac to.
One more
One
prize,
more.
please.
Here it is. Great. Congratulations. Kahit, ano yan?
Yung by Sulema.
Okay, ito yan. Ito.
That's your prize. Maraming salamat.
Larry Morales.
May dalawa na panalo mo.
Larry. Diba ba?
Lali.
Okay, bye.
Lali. Who is Lali? Ah, there you are. Congrats.
Congratulations.
Congrats. Ayan. Galing. Okay.
No more tic-tac-toe.
No more tic-tac-toe. Tic-tic na lang.
20,000 worth of insurance.
20,000?
Automatic, you'll be insured. Is that a life insurance?
20,000?
Life?
Oh, 5 lang yan. 5 lang. 8.
Magkano?
8. From?
28?
Insurance.
My God.
So,
What?
bigay niya.
20,000 worth of insurance?
Life insurance.
Life
Nasa
insurance?
isip daw. Okay. We have
Life insurance?
Maria Victoria Antonio.
Maria Victoria Antonio.
Okay.
Come on down.
8. Okay. Second, we have
Life
Wow,
insurance.
congratulations, Victoy.
Eugene won.
Eugene! El Presidente.
20,000 life
Yes, we
insurance.
have
You're insured.
Wow, ang galing. Congratulations.
Bing Alvarez.
What?
Bing Alvarez.
Bing Alvarez. Nasaan na siya?
Hello, mas okay, Bing Alvarez.
Bing Alvarez, okay.
Right. Ito.
Okay, next we
Bing.
have Estado Lunto.
Diosdado Lunto. Come on
Diosdado.
down. You just
Next we have
20,000.
life insurance.
Ang bigat mo, Brad. Hello. Congratulations, Brad. Congrats.
Maricar.
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 Carmencita.
Carmencita. Maricar, nandito?
Oh. Di ba,
Pa-fill up daw yan. Pa-fill up. Pa-fill up daw yung form na yan.
pag i-fill up yung form,
Carmencita,
pagbigay
where's
kay
Maricar?
Ma'am Lou para makuha.
Okay, next we have
Sinila.
Wala pa. Last week.
Dina Bayabo.
Dina. Yes. Congratulations.
Okay, last two we have
Congratulations. 20,000 ang bigat. Galing.
We have
Jojo Cervantes.
Jojo
And
Cervantes.
last,
Congratulations.
Congrats. Congrats.
Meron ba?
is Mr. Lamal still around?
No more tic-tac-toe.
Finish na po yung game.
Mr. Lamal still around? No more. Okay, padala na lang